Okay, 15, we're going to use our please excuse our my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, so please, parentheses, yes, we have parentheses, so we need to do those first. So 2 minus, and in the parentheses we got negative 3 minus 4, okay, which is going to give us a negative 7. I will tell you, some of your guys' integer negatives game sucks, alright, so use your calculator. If you do use your calculator, you need to make sure that you're typing it correctly. So for the negative 3, you have to type in 3 on your calculator first, and then hit that plus minus, and then you can say minus 4, okay? If you don't, otherwise your answer is not going to come out right. Your calculator will end up doing 3 minus 4, which would give you a 1 instead of a negative 7, okay? Now we have 2 minus negative 7, so what's a minus minus make?
Plus.
Plus, so it's really 2 plus 7, okay, which just gives us a 9. Okay, 17. Did I skip one? No. Okay, 17. 17 looks a lot harder than what it is. So you need to do the bottom, the negative 1 plus 6 first, okay? So fraction bar really means divide, but you can't do anything with anything while it's a fraction, okay? So you need to simplify the fractions always first, and then go through your order of operations. So if we're just doing the bottom first, we got negative 1 plus 6 is going to give us 5, and our 10's still on top, and we still got multiplied by 6. Okay? So now we need to keep working with that fraction. 10 over 5 is really 10 divided by 5, which is 2, and we still got that 6. And so now it's just 6 times 2, which is 12. Okay, same thing, 19. It says negative 4 times 2 minus 12 over 4. We need to simplify that fraction first. And a fraction just means divide. So 12 divided by 4 is just going to give you 3. Okay, so now you got negative 4 times 2 minus 3. And now we need to do our order of operations to figure out what we got to do first. So we have no parentheses, then exponents, please excuse my. So now it's multiplication. Okay, so negative 4 times 2 is going to be negative 8 minus 3. Okay, and a negative 8 minus 3, same thing on your calculator. You'd have to type in 8 and then hit the plus minus button at the top, and it looks gray, to put the negative, and then say minus 3, and it's going to give you a negative 11. Okay, and before you guys go off, let me look at the other side to make sure nothing's crazy. Okay, so 20, you need to do the fraction first. Okay, so fix this fraction before you can do anything else, okay? 18, 3 cubed, what's cubed mean?
Times
yeah, 3 times the same number.
Yeah, so it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, you have to do that part first. So make sure you do that part first. 16, 2 squared is really 2 times 2. Okay, you need to do that and then deal with the fraction. 12, do the parentheses and figure out the top first, and then you can divide it by 3. 10 is the same way, okay? So do the top stuff first, and then divide it by whatever the bottom number is, because it's a fraction.
Can you go to number 1? I think I missed that one.
Yep. Number 8, work from the inside out, okay? You need to do from the inside out. So then 4 minus 3 needs to happen first, okay? 6, figure out what that number is on the inside of the parentheses, and then square it. And there's number 1.
Alright.
You guys got any questions?
Mm-mm.
Okay. One last thing, I keep reminding you guys every day. Thursday, we have no Zoom. Thursday is going to be work on any missing work. If you don't have any missing work, then enjoy your day. If you do have missing work, try to work on it during the day. I'm more flexible than some teachers, so do their stuff first, obviously. And then you have to, though, write your grade on Canvas. So just like we write a document, there will be an assignment just like this document, and it'll say, please write your grade. Get on Skyward or message me for your grade, and then write it on Canvas and submit. That's how I take attendance for that day. Okay, so we don't have an assignment, nothing extravagant. I'm sure some of your other teachers will have an assignment. Mine's not really an assignment, it's just merely for attendance, and I want to make sure that you can look at your grade. Some of you guys got me some missing stuff yesterday, so kudos. I'm working my way through the pile. I will have everything uploaded by Wednesday night, so that way your grade is current on Thursday for you to submit, okay? And then get your assignment done for today, and I will see you tomorrow.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.